Hi everyone, this is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick tutorial on database maintenance in Act Premium Cloud. So you can run maintenance on your Act standard database, the Act desktop software, but I'm going to focus your attention on the cloud version. So how do you run maintenance? So if you come over here on the left-hand side where it says tools, I'm going to click on that. I have all kinds of options here. I'm going to narrow it down to just the database tools. And you'll notice that when I look at the database tools, I have the ability to run what's called check and repair. And I'm going to click on that. And this will do two things. It will run an integrity check and a reindex of your database. So it tells you a little bit about what this does, but I'm going to click OK, and you'll see it will run through the process. And it doesn't really take that long. Maybe if you have an older existing database, it's going to take a little bit longer. But for the most part, this happens pretty quickly. And once it's done, you'll get the thumbs up or an OK telling you it's done. I'm just going to let this run for a minute so it finishes, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so now we got this. The check and repair of the database was completed successfully. Click OK, and we're done. That's all you have to do. How often you do that? Weekly, monthly. I think it really depends on the size of your database and how often you do it. If you have any questions on that, reach back to me and I'll try to give you a better answer based on your specific scenario. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye now.